Top 10 beautiful birds on the planet. Number 10, peacock, known for its vibrant and striking colors. Number 9, scarlet macaw, a parrot with feathers that resemble a living rainbow. Number 8, resplendent quetzal, with beautiful emerald green feathers and striking red chest. Number 7, barley miner, with beautiful pure white plumage and striking blue eye rings. Number 6, flamingo, known for their long and slender legs. Number 5, golden pheasant, bird adorned with a cascade of striking colors. Number 4, Victoria crowned pigeon, this bird intricate crest of feathers that resembles a regal crown. Number 3, mandarin duck, known for its vibrant and intricate. Number 2, hummingbird, known for its iridescent feathers and incredible agility. Number 1, paradise flycatcher, known for its long, ethereal tail feathers.